Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Ducati Monster 1200. This is the Testa Stretta 2 engine, 1200 cc's, fuel injected, liquid cooled, Monster styling. It's got the Ducati safety pack, ABS brakes, awesome sounding Works USA muffler system. It's got the seat cowl. This bike is gorgeous. Beautiful Ducati red. Just $99.99. Price to sell. Come by and check it out. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock.